Good morning.
Good morning. What's all this? Your results. Congratulations to all. I'm confident you'll all achieve your goals. So, young man, what are your aspirations?
I want to do robotics, ideally from the Bust Institute in the US.
And you, young lady?
Sir, I love kids and I would love to learn pediatrics. I feel Boston is the best place for that.
Sumit, what about you?
Back home to India for medicine.
Good. I'm sure you'll all achieve your aspirations, be it in India or anywhere. Keep in mind, your first challenge is the entrance, whether it's IIT, JEE, SAT or NEET. You have to learn from the masters. Brilliant Qatar is the passport to your success.
We undertake coaching for regular and repeat batches and tuition for board examinations. Brilliant Education Centre, Doha, Qatar.
Hello students, good evening all of you. Welcome to Brilliant Qatar. And now, today we are going to discuss life process chapter. I hope you all are preparing properly at home. In this class, one of the most important chapter, largest chapter, high weightage chapter today we are going to discuss. So far, Jisha madam cover how do organism reproduce, heredity chapter and control and coordination chapter, right? So I am going to cover today life process chapter. Life process, very important MCQs are going to come from this chapter. Life process chapter include human digestion, respiration, excretion, circulatory system. Yes or no, student? So lot of complicated questions I'm going to show you now. So are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready to take this class? And HOT questions are there, students. Everyone should properly read the question and give me the answer. From photosynthesis onwards, I'll start till the human excretion and plant excretion. Different variety questions are going to come. So are you ready to face? If you know the answer, comment. Okay, so just send your answer. Look at the first question. Look at the first question. The first question on the screen. Raw materials required in the photosynthetic mode of nutrition are raw materials. What are the raw materials are required for the autotrophic nutrition? This is a photosynthesis process. Look at the option. What are the options given? Carbon dioxide. Yes, carbon dioxide is essential and carbon dioxide is going to convert into glucose, right, in dark reaction. Yes or no, students? So carbon dioxide is essential. Water also essential. Now, can any one of you tell me water will give what byproduct? Tell me oxygen. Yes or no? When water break down, it will give oxygen as a byproduct. So water, carbon dioxide required. Next, chlorophyll also required. It is a pigment. It is a photosynthetic pigment. I hope, very good. All of you, very good. Fine. Wait a moment. I want to ask you one more question. So these two are correct. Sunlight also correct. What exactly this nitrogen? For photosynthesis purpose, nitrogen is not required, but nitrogen is very important for plant growth. If in the exam, in final exam, if HOT question come, if different type of question come, little deeper question come, what is the function of nitrogen in plant? Nitrogen play important role in DNA synthesis. Nitrogen play important role in protein synthesis, chlorophyll formation. Remember, students, okay, nitrogen is a very important macro element in plant body. So first one is correct, first one required, second one required, fourth one required. So answer is what? Option C. Very good, option C. And moreover, yes, protein synthesis also. So first question is easy question, average student can also answer, fine. But upcoming questions are little difficult, student. You should pay attention. I need to answer the question, okay? So first question answer is C. Look at the second question. The second question tell us, in salivary amylase, if salivary amylase is lacking in the saliva, which of the following events in the mouth cavity, buccal cavity of mouth will be affected is given. Can any one of you answer this one? Salivary amylase. It's also called what? It is a salivary amylase ptyalin enzyme which acts on, which is essential for the digestion of carbohydrates, right? Carbohydrate digestion. Look at here what is given. Protein breakdown. Protein breakdown actually start in where? Stomach. in presence of an enzyme called one gastric enzyme. Any one of you? Any one of you? Pepsin, right? Yes, pepsin. Fine, good, very good. So here, this is not a correct answer. Amino acid is given, so it's not a correct answer. Starch breakdown into sugar. Yes, it is essential. Sometimes you will get one more question. Sometimes different type of questions will come. What happens if acidic capacity in mouth increase? If a person is drinking lime juice or this type of citric acid type of drinks, what happen? Amylase enzyme function little slow down. When amylase enzyme function slow down, starch breakdown process also will get down. You got my point? So starch, remember all of you, carbohydrate digestion start in buccal cavity. Listen, all of you, careful listen, but it's very easy to understand. There are three different type of food materials in our diet, right? What are they? Carbohydrates. We will take carbohydrates, right? And we will also take what? Tell me, proteins and fats. Yes or no? Fats. Remember all of you, carbohydrate digestion start in buccal cavity and end in small intestine. Fine. Next, protein digestion. Protein digestion start in stomach, end in small intestine. Fat digestion start in duodenum of small intestine and finish also in small intestine. Keep in mind. You got my, because digestion process is completely enzymatic process. So different type of macromolecule, different type of food material will be digested in different place of our alimentary canal. So what happened here? Carbohydrate digestion start in our buccal cavity. So what happened if you remove this one or this salivary amylase enzyme is not there? Starch breakdown process will get effect. Remember. So answer is what? Option B is the correct answer. What about C? Fat breakdown into fatty acids. Fat breakdown into fatty acid is depend on or important enzyme is required here. Can any one of you tell me? Lipase enzyme, right? Lipase enzyme is important for the fat. Can any one of you answer me? Where did this enzyme come from? Which gland release this lipase enzyme? Any one of you? Any one of you? Right. Any one of you tell me this lipase enzyme come from a particular gland. Particular gland. Which gland is that? Come on. Any one of you try. Lipase enzyme come from a particular gland. Pancreatic lipase. Pancreas is one gland is there. We call heterocrine gland. Do you remember? Pancreas release lipase. Lipase enzyme acts on the fats. This lipids. So these fats are finally digested into something. I forgot. Any one of you help me out? These fatty acids or these fats are digested into glycerol. Fatty acid. Remember, glycerol and fatty acid. Remember, students. So this is a very simplest question and easy question. Second question, answer D. What about this D? Absorption of vitamins is given. So absorption of vitamins and absorption of food material, all the simple material takes place in small intestine. The problem in salivary amylase in mouth. So D is not an option. So go to the third question. Look at here. This is CBSE 2020. Student, look at this PYQ beta. This is PYQ, previous year question. Look at what the question is telling us. In the excretory system of human being, some substances in the initial filtrate such as glucose, amino acid, salts and water are selectively reabsorbed in. Remember, HOT type of questions. This is a simple question only. Options are simply given. But if in the CBSE final examination, if they mention different ducts, let me take here. Look at here. This is called Bowman's capsule. Right? And Bowman's capsule open into highly twisted tube-like structure is called what? PCT. Remember, student, this tube is called proximal convoluted tubule, PCT. Remember, all of you, Bowman's capsule open into highly twisted tube called PCT. Into this Bowman capsule, we know afferent arteriole entered and efferent arteriole come out. This is afferent arteriole and this is efferent arteriole. And this afferent and efferent arteriole make a lot of capillary. This capillary is called what? Tell me. Glomerulus. This is called glomerulus. This cup is called what? Bowman's capsule. What is this? Afferent arteriole. This is efferent arteriole. Remember, this tube is called PCT. My dear kids, remember all of you, whatever the blood is coming from this afferent arteriole, this blood is huge in urea, nitrogenous waste material. So where exactly a filtration takes place? Tell me. Bowman's capsule, glomerulus. After filtration, whatever the fluid is forming, this is called filtrate. Look at it. This is called filtrate. This is filtrate. My dear kids, remember, if 2 mark question can also come, my dear, in this filtrate, essential substances are there. A threshold compound or low threshold compound or high threshold compound. That means essential substances are there, non-essential substances are there. But in the exam, if question come from this filtrate, glucose, amino acid, salts, remember salts, that means NaCl like, and also water undergo reabsorption in PCT, proximal convoluted tubule. And one more important question, my dear kids, write down this one. If in the exam, if question come, glucose, amino acid and sodium undergo reabsorption by active process. Beta, active process mean money required. What is the money? This is not real. This is not Indian currency. What is that? It is a chemical currency. What is that called? ATP. ATP. Remember all of you. So what is the right answer? The right answer is what? Nephron. The given what? Urethra. Urethra is not a part. So it is a nephron. But in the nephron, which part is the correct answer? PCT, proximal convoluted tubule. I hope you understand. Till here, everything clear? Shall we go to the next one? Next question. I hope all are ready. Right. Good. Very good. What about this? This is most important HOT question. I'll give time to you all answer. Can you please try this? Can you please all of you try this and answer me? Can you please all of you try this? What is given? The given in the figure, let me read. In the figure given below side, the structure associated with the human kidneys are marked X, Y, Z. The relative concentration of urea in these structures are given. Any one of you try. Any one of you try this. So this is a HOT question. Try to understand this question. First, we will mark the blood vessels and tubes. Okay. What about this one? This is called aorta. This is aorta. Aorta divided into one small tube which entered into the kidney we known as renal artery. This is renal artery. So Y is renal artery, right? And this renal artery undergo lot of capillaries. Yes or no? Blood vessels we call arterioles. After arteriole, it make a lot of capillaries, and this all capillaries are fused to form a renal vein. This X is called what? Tell me. Renal vein. Done. So renal vein is open into this tube. This tube is called, you know what? This is called inferior vena cava. This is inferior vein. This is an inferior vein. So all of you understand. All of you try to understand what is given in this one. So Y, X, Y and Z. X, Y, Z. Z is what? Tell me. Urethra. This is a urethra. This is urethra. Fine. Remember all of you. Carefully listen here what I am explaining. Look at me. Everyone look at me. Whatever the blood vessel is coming from aorta, kids, this blood vessel is with oxygenated blood. But hold a minute. Oxygenated blood, it doesn't mean they don't have nitrogenous waste material. No. Huge nitrogenous waste materials such as urea, uric acid, uric acid like nitrogenous waste materials are there. That means why renal artery is taking the huge nitrogenous waste material going to kidney. You got my point? But after this one, after filtration, urea, uric acid come into the Z. Z is what? Tell me. Urethra. So Z is urethra. Any one of you answer this one. What is the correct answer of this one? Now X is sometime higher than Y. Y is always higher than Z. Y is always lower than Z. Z is sometime lower than X. Can any one of you answer this one? Is it B or C? Is it B or C? Try. Sir, here it is. Y is coming with huge urea, okay, given to this kidney. Kidney removing that urea and giving to that urethra, right? That means Z have a large amount of urea. Z is taking that urea into the urinary bladder. Urinary bladder, right? So I compare with Y, Z having that high amount of urea. So I can go with what? Tell me. Option C. Y is lower and Z is higher. That will leads to where? Tell me. Urinary bladder, and that is called urine. Urine is rich in where? Nitrogenous waste material. My dear kids, remember this type of question come, and one more diagrammatic question. Aorta you should identify. From aorta, which blood is going, you should identify. And from kidney, which blood is coming out also, you should remember. And in the exam, if question come, remember kids, all of you, renal artery rich in nitrogenous base, but renal vein low or less in nitrogenous concentration. Remember. So answer is option C is the right answer. What about this question? Any one of you answer this question? Very easy question. Look at here. The diagram shows the arrangement of cells inside the leaf green plant. Two places chlorophyll is there, and two places rich in photosynthesis. Can any one of you answer this? What exactly the two places? Fast. I need good, very good. Look at here. First one is called epidermis. This is epidermis, right? So this one is called epidermis. But in epidermis, no chlorophyll. So no photosynthesis. Second one is what? Third one is what? Second one is, shall I say, second one is mesophyll cell. So second one is called, tell me, mesophyll cell. Mesophyll cells are rich in where? Chlorophyll. So second place, full photosynthesis takes place. And tell me here, what is this fourth one? Can any one of you tell me what is this fourth one? Fourth cell is called what? This is guard cell. Yes or no? This is guard cell. This opening is called stomata. This is what fourth one. Fourth one is called guard cell. Guard cells also have chloroplast. So answer is very good. Absolutely correct. So second one and fourth one. Where is the right answer, beta? Where is the second and fourth one? Option D is the right. Am I correct? What about this 3? Who is this 3? Sir, this 3 is lower epidermis, right? In lower epidermis, epidermal tissue, beta, outer covering layer of plant for protection. They don't have chloroplast. Okay, upper epidermis, lower epidermis. In this one, there is no chlorophyll, there is no chloroplast, nothing is there. So that's just for the protection. So answer is what? Tell me, 2 and 4. This entire area called mesophyll area. This is spongy cells, and this is mesophyll cell. Remember here inside this one, what is there? Green chloroplast is there. Remember all of you, photosynthesis takes place. You got my point? Done. And moreover, where is the stomata? Upper epidermis or lower epidermis? Where is the stomata? Lower epidermis. Is dicot. Lower epidermis, right? So answer is option D. What about this one? What about this question? Little higher order question. Can any one of you do this? This is also higher order question. Any one of you do this? Which substance are produced by anaerobic respiration in yeast is given? Fungi, yeast. Anaerobic respiration. Try, all of you. Try to answer this one. Try. I'll see your comments. Try. What is the right answer? Yes, come on. Vinisa, come on, answer better. This one. They're asking anaerobic respiration in yeast. In anaerobic respiration, we know, let me write the formula. Tell me what happened. C6H12O6, what is this? Glucose without oxygen, no oxygen, break down into what? Tell me, 2 molecule of ethyl alcohol, beta, plus 2 molecule of carbon dioxide and very less amount of ATP, right? 2 ATP is only going to form. So what will be the correct answer? Atmana, very good. Aditi, no beta. Aditi, careful, look at here. It is carbon dioxide. Yes, carbon dioxide is positive. Alcohol, yes, positive. Lactic acid, no lactic acid. In yeast, beta, they are not asking in the skeletal muscle. They are not asking in the exercise muscle. They are asking in the yeast, my dear. Read the question carefully. Aditi, don't get confused. Read carefully. Water, no water. So we can write what? Tell me, beta. So answer option A is the right answer. This is also H40. Yes. Remember, 2 ATPs only. Very less number of ATP. You got my? This is called anaerobic respiration. Alcohol formation from pyruvic acid. Now, next question. Look at the next question. Question number 7. Very easy. I hope my all students know this one. Average, below average, everyone know this one. Come on, answer me. Come on, answer me. Our cerebrum remember this organelle strongly, right? So what does that tell me? Here it is given. Which cell organelle involve breakdown of glucose produce energy metabolically? Very easy. Any one of you? Mitochondria. What does the answer tell me? Yes, mitochondria. So in this occasion, I wanted to cover the 3-mark question also. Different steps of aerobic anaerobic glucose breakdown process. What is glucose breakdown process here? I am writing this is glucose. What is the glucose formula, beta? Glucose. I can write C6. Let me write like that. Let me write this. This is glucose. Okay, C6H12O6. Look at here how cute it is. Glucose. It is our energy resource. It is a source, but it is our energy. Now, glucose, C6H12O6 in cytoplasm. In where, tell me? Cytoplasm. It convert into what, my dear? 2 molecule of one more compound called what, tell me? Pyruvic acid. What is it? Look at this. Pyruvic acid is with very nice cute 3-carbon compound. This pyruvic acid is, tell me, with help of oxygen, along with oxygen in mitochondria it entered. In mitochondria, tell me, this pyruvic acid convert into 6 molecule of carbon dioxide, 6 molecule of water and energy. What is this energy? ATP. But what happened in anaerobic respiration? Tell me, pyruvic acid convert into ethanol. Ethanol plus CO2 plus very less amount of ATP. What about in the muscle? Lactic acid formation. Lactic acid plus ATP formation. These two are what type of respiration, beta? Anaerobic respiration. This keep in mind. What is this step called? Any one of you help me out? Glucose to pyruvic acid formation. Something given a particular name. Something given a particular name, Riddhi, some particular stage is better, particular step is there between these two. The particular step is called, the process is called something. Glucose to pyruvic acid formation is given a specific name, specific term, specific process. Any one of you? Any one of you? Any one of you? Any one of you? Atmana, Riddhi. Okay, Atmana, Riddhi. Respiration. First step of respiration, glycolysis. Sabas, who is this? Riddle glycolysis. This process is called glycolysis. Sabas, very good. Glycolysis process, respiration. So answer is what? Mitochondria. That's why mitochondria is a bank of ATP. Inner membrane of mitochondria is a bank of ATP, my dear. Everything, the enzyme, a high number of ATP generating from where? Mitochondria. Good, very good. What about this question? Very easy question. Very, very easy. Look at here. This is right auricle, left auricle, right ventricle and left ventricle. Now this is interventricular septum. This is right auricle, right ventricle, left auricle, left ventricle. Now tell me, from the right ventricle, a big blood vessel come out and divide into 2 branches. I don't know the blood vessel name. And from the left ventricle also, one big blood vessel come out and turn like this. So can you please answer me? Can you please answer me what the question is asking? Better here. Question is, blood vessel carry blood from lungs to heart through. From where to where? Lungs. Blood from lungs to heart. Any one of you? Very good, very good. Pulmonary vein. So here, this pulmonary artery coming back after making capillaries from lungs, it come back. It's into what? Pulmonary veins. Pulmonary veins are oxygenated blood. Yes or no? But oxygenated blood. So this is aorta. This is pulmonary artery. This is pulmonary vein. What about others? What about? Yeah, very good. Absolutely. So answer is pulmonary vein. Good. Very good. Pulmonary vein. Which blood? Don't know. Any one of you help me out? Pulmonary vein is which blood? Oxy or deoxy? Oxy or deoxy? Any one of you? Oxygenated or deoxygenated blood? Oxygenated or deoxygenated blood? Oxygenated. It is oxygenated after purification. After purifying the blood, it will become oxygenated. It brings that oxygenated blood from lungs to heart. Remember. Okay. Next answer is what? Option. Next, what about this question? Look at this question. Careful look at this question, my dear kid. This type of questions can come. This type of question will repeat in final examination. We should pay very keen identification. Okay, careful look at what the question is telling. Choose the form in which must plant absorb nitrogen. In the first question, I said nitrogen directly not participating in photosynthesis. Photosynthesis, raw material, nitrogen is not there. Okay, fine. But here they are asking in the form of what plant is taking nitrogen. Any one of you? Can you try Atmana and lifetime? I don't know who is lifetime. Can any one of you answer, beta? Right, Deepika and Shivam, Riddhi. Where are you? Come on, answer me. What's the right answer here? Proteins. Next, nitrates and nitrites. Okay, nitrate NO2 minus and NO3 minus. Correct. Next, urea. Next, atmospheric nitrogen. So I think good. Correct answer is what? Now, second one and third one. Where is the second one? Yes, option B is the right answer. Option B is the right answer. You got my point? First, it can. That's the reason why in your higher classes you will learn about the bacteria. Nitrogen fixation bacteria. Atmospheric nitrogen directly plant cannot use, my dear. Somebody has to be there to convert this nitrogen into nitrates and nitrites and urea. You remember, this is essential for plant growth. That's why biofertilizers, normal fertilizers directly, urea we will give, chemical fertilizers or biofertilizers also we will give. So answer is 2 and 3. What about this question? One of the most important HOT question. Think. No need to make hurry. Carefully think and answer. In photosynthesis, which substance are used up, which substance are consumed, used up, and which are produced and which are necessary but remain unchanged. Which are used up, which are remain unchanged, and which are produced. Something is going to produce, something is going to used up, something is remain constant. Come on, any one of you. Everyone, come on. It's okay, my dear, and now it will be happen, my dear. Okay, come on. Correct answer is what? First, they are using what? Tell me. They are asking something is used up. Carbon dioxide, water, oxygen. No, this is not oxygen here. Remain unchanged is given, beta. It is not a. Leave it. Chlorophyll, no. Oxygen, no. Oxygen will release, not used up. Oxygen will release. Oxygen release. Come on, look at here. Water used up, oxygen release, chlorophyll remain unchanged. Yes or no? Chlorophyll remain unchanged. It is B or D? It's B. Yes, Asya. Good, very good. Neha. Yes, good, very good. Fatima. The answer is what? D. What is? Listen. Hold a minute, all of you. We know two major substances is required, right? One is called carbon dioxide and water molecule. My dear kids, remember, two products will form. One is called glucose plus oxygen, right? In the exam, if question come, remember all of you, carbon dioxide convert into glucose, beta, it's called dark reaction. That means glucose like organic compound is going to form from carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide convert into glucose, my dear. What about this water? When water breakdown takes place, what release? Tell me. Oxygen release. Remember, if you are not giving water to plant, oxygen will not release, glucose also will not form, because in this reaction ATP release, that ATP essential for the making of glucose. So remember all of you, what is going to use up? What is going to use up? Water is going to use up. What is going to release? Oxygen is going to release. What will be the remain? It's unchanged. Chlorophyll. So answer is option D is the right answer. How many of you got this? Yes. Next question, I will be silent for 10 to 15 seconds. Whenever you see the question, you should answer. Are you ready? Now look at this question. Human digestive system. Simple question. Let me draw this one. Now, fast. This is buccal cavity. This entire area, buccal cavity, esophagus. Now here, this is what they call nasal cavity, buccal. Here it is, what is there? Esophagus and also trachea. This one is esophagus open into where? Stomach. Right? And this one is open into where? Small intestine. Right? Small intestine. Now find out the correct answer. What the question is asking? In the diagram shows human gut. Gut mean elementary canal, student. Which number structures secrete digestive enzyme? 6 salivary amylase. So that means here I am writing salivary glands. Salivary glands. Okay. Digestive enzyme secrete. Number one is stomach. This is stomach, my dear. This is stomach. So stomach release something. What is that? Gastric glands are there. Gastric juice from stomach. Done. Now lower side is, this one is called pancreas. Here it is, pancreas is there. So 2 pancreas, pancreatic gland, right? This is called pancreas, pancreatic gland. So pancreatic gland also release. Next, here 3 is a small intestine. Small intestine. Small intestine also release enzyme. 4th one is called large intestine colon. Large intestine is not going to release enzyme. What about this 5? It is liver. What about this one, beta? This one is here. It is liver is there. This is liver. Now answer me. I don't know the right answer. Any one of you? Good. Sabas. Absolutely correct. So I can go number 1, 2, 3 and 6. Am I correct? 4th one, 3rd one, 4th one, 5th one not going to release that. So where is 1, 2, 3, 6? 1, 2, 3, 6 option B. Sabas. Absolutely correct. This is 3-mark question can also beta. They'll ask, write the different type of digestive enzyme glands. Describe. So different type of digestive gland means salivary gland, intestinal glands. But wait a moment. Sir, here liver is not going to produce any digestive. No enzyme, no digestive enzyme from liver. But liver is essential for something. Emulsification. Yes or no? Emulsification process. This liver is producing bile juice. Bile juice does not contain any digestive enzyme. Good, very good. What about this question? What about this question? This HOT. This HOT, little typical question. Let's think. Let's see. My student Riddhi, can you answer this one? Atmana, Anna, and Jaren. Try better. What they're asking here? Which of the following is not a disorder of circulatory system? You did not see this one, I think. Which of the following is not a disorder of circulatory system? Remember, students, atherosclerosis, arteriosclerosis, angina. These 3 are actually called CAD, coronary artery diseases. What about arthritis? Arthritis is actually related to joints. Inflammation in joints. You know what is this 3 diseases? Atherosclerosis, arteriosclerosis, and also angina. This is actually blocking something. Look at here, all of you. This is commonly, let me finish this one better. Commonly, this is auricles, and this is ventricle. Normal, simple structure of heart. Careful look at, my dear students. This is aorta. From here we know aorta is come out. So now student, let me write here. This is aorta. Aorta is coming out like this, right? Aorta is oxygenated blood to the all part of the body, right? Now all of you look at here. Exactly when aorta come out, student, it will divide it into one more branch like this. This branch supply oxygenated blood to heart muscles better like this. Cardiac muscle, heart muscles like this. You got my point? Like this. This blood vessel is called coronary artery. Coronary artery. Remember, all of you. Riddhi, mark this one. Vinisa, mark this one. Coronary artery is that blood vessel which supply oxygenated blood to heart. So when calcium ion, cholesterol, if a cholesterol is depositing in this one better like this. If cholesterol is depositing in this one, look at here, lumen will become narrow. No proper oxygenated blood reaches to the heart muscles. Chest pain, ischemia, angina. You got my these are the problems are called atherosclerosis, arteriosclerosis, and angina. Remember. So the problem in where? Coronary artery. Remember better. So the right answer is option C. Till here everything done. Good, very good. What about this question? I will be silent for a while. You should answer this one. Carefully read. Atmana, Vinisa, Riddhi, everyone. Riddle, are you there? Shall answer this one. Answer this one. What is given here? The diagrammatic representation part of human circulatory blood pressure, highest blood pressure. Joints better. Riddhi, it's not a bone, it is joints. Joints pain, it's not a bone. It's a joint problem. Yes. Highest blood pressure. Come on. Fast. Who is this? Srishan. Okay. What about others? Wake up, beta. Come on. They're asking ABCD is good. Let me mark this ABCD. What is A? A is pulmonary vein. Okay. B is aorta. Okay. C is called, look at what it is called, inferior vena cava. What about the pulmonary artery? So I hope you got the answer. Good, very good. So this B fellow, highest one. So answer is B. Absolutely correct. Let me ask a small question, my dear. D. A is pulmonary artery. D is pulmonary artery. A is pulmonary vein. Out of D and A, which one have a highest pressure? Which one out of these two have a highest pressure? Now answer. DA, here DA is there. D is pulmonary artery, A is pulmonary vein. Which is the highest pressure? If you answer this one, circulatory system clear, almost. Come on, answer. Try, my dear, try. Yes, who is this? Riddle, good. Yes, remember pulmonary artery have a highest pressure. Pulmonary vein compare with pulmonary artery, low pressure kids. Remember, low pressure. Good, very good. So answer is option B is the right answer. What about this question? Urea is formed. This is also HOT, my dear. Try all of you. Try 30 seconds. Find out the correct answer. Find out the right answer. Good, very good. Sabas, absolutely. Narayanan, good. Himani Rao, Sabas, Vedika, good. What about this question? Urea is formed in. Urea is our waste material, nitrogenous waste. You know, students, urea actually synthesized in. Who is this A? Who is C? Kidney. No, my dear, kidney will not synthesize urea. Urea actually formed, it's formed in liver beta, not in kidney. Kidneys will not synthesize urea. Remember, my dear kids. Wrong, you all are. Who is this? Goshlika, correct beta. No, Aisha, my dear, it's not correct. A is the right answer. Good, very good. Absolutely. Remember, it's not kidney. Kidneys are actually, liver will synthesis. Whatever the protein we digest, that protein digest into amino acid. Amino acid undergo breakdown to make a urea in liver beta. Liver will send this entire urea to kidney. Kidney, you just send this waste out. So kidney said, okay, my dear, I will filter. Okay, I will make urea out, mix with water, and I'll send you out in the form of urine. So urine formation takes place in nephron, kidney, but urea actual synthesis in liver beta, not in kidney. Remember, you got my point. So all of you, remember, it is not in kidney. Don't say in kidney and don't write in the exam. Kidneys are making what? Urea. Urea actually synthesized in the liver and given to kidney. Kidney filter the blood to make urine. Understand? What about this question? This is also HOT, my dear. The diagram shows ventricle section through the heart. Okay. 2, 1, 3, 4 is given. Okay. 2, 1, 3, 4. Any one of you try. Carries blood to blood of body. Carries blood to lungs. Carries blood from lungs. Carries blood from body. Anyone? Try. Now, I'll write here. This is called superior vena cava. superior vena cava. Okay. A is called what? Pulmonary artery. 3 is called what? Aorta. And 4 is called pulmonary vein. Pulmonary vein. So look at here. Carries blood from body. So from body, carries blood of body. I can go with the 3 aorta. Right? Where is 3 aorta? Carries blood to lungs. Blood to lungs. Look at it. This blood to lungs. Pulmonary artery 1. Pulmonary artery 1. Carries blood from lungs. Something is coming from the lungs. Pulmonary vein from lungs. Now carries blood from the body to that one. That means they are asking here from body parts to heart. So 2. That means answer is 4 and 2. How many of you got it? Yes, yes, absolutely. Sabas. Very good, very good. So answer is D is the right answer. My dear kids, from life process chapter, excretory system and circulatory system, thoroughly prepare and go. Case study or 5 mark chance is there. Photosynthesis also. Now next question. What about this question? A very easy question. It is not a HOT. It is a very simple, easy question. Any one of you? Any one of you? What is the correct route for the blood flow in the human? Right blood flow. Correct blood flow. Anyone of you? Simple, very easy. Come on. Left atrium. No. It will not start with left atrium. Leave it. Left atrium, atrium, right atrium, okay. Right ventricle, okay. Left ventricle. Right ventricle to left ventricle. Is there any route is there? Is there any road is there, beta? No, right? Now, right atrium, okay. Right ventricle. Next, lungs. That means pulmonary artery. Lungs. Left ventricle, left atrium, right, and left ventricle. So answer, yes, absolutely correct. Absolutely correct. Right atrium to right ventricle, tricuspid wall. Left atrium to left ventricle, bicuspid walls are there. Remember the pathway. It is easy question, but I'm not going to explain this one. Come to the next. What about this? The table shows the characteristic of a blood. One blood vessel of the body. Which blood vessel contain blood with these characteristic feature? Oxygen concentration is high. Oxygen concentration high. Carbon dioxide concentration low. Pressure high. Pressure high. Don't know. Come on. What is the right answer? What is the right answer of this one? Which blood vessel have this all characteristic features? Come on. Very good. Sabas. The answer is what? Aorta. How simple answer is aorta. It's a greater artery or it is a largest artery. Good. What about this one? Vocal cords occurs in vocal cords. Look at here. This is called a trachea. This is called what? Tell me, larynx. And here downside of the larynx, what is there? Trachea. If you catch here and say good evening, vibrations come. It's called what? Tell me. When you inhale, the vocal cord cartilage will contract to give sound, produce sound. You remember in the last class we discussed, look at here, this is called epiglottis and this is called, look at here, this is actually voice box, larynx, like this. Got my point? It's actually made up of cartilage. Now this one is lower side. What is there? Trachea. Trachea divided into bronchi. Trachea have C shape of cartilage rings are there. Even in the bronchi also, what they call cartilage rings are there. This one is called what? Larynx. Larynx is made up of cartilage. Remember, this is called epiglottis. You got my point? Vocal cords. If you cut this one, elastic, the vocal cords are there. When they now that's why beta speak when talk whatever with sound is coming during exhalation only time. Inspiration. I'm taking inspiration. I cannot speak. During the time of inspiration, we cannot speak. So when will sound come? Tell me during the expiration time. And these two tracheas are open into where? Tell me lungs. Right? Now, the answer is what? What is the right answer? I did not cross check your chart. Very good. So, vocal cords are larynx. Good. Very good. What about this question? The rate at which oxygen moves The rate at which oxygen moves from the alveoli to our lungs, our blood. Lungs into blood. Lungs into blood. Let's take this is alveoli. Alveoli. Alveoli have a simple squamous epithelium beta. Single layer, one epithelial tissue is there. This epithelial tissue is essential for what? Diffusion purpose. You got my point? This is called epithelium. And the blood vessel come from the heart called pulmonary artery. Pulmonary artery divided into many capillaries here. This is called many capillaries. Right? Now tell me here. This is called pulmonary artery. In this pulmonary artery, PO2, that means oxygen concentration low, PCO2, carbon dioxide concentration high. In alveoli, tell me, PO2, oxygen concentration more, PCO2 low. Now tell me, gaseous exchange, diffusion can take place from higher concentration to lower concentration. Which gas is higher concentration in alveoli? Oxygen. So oxygen will tell, look at it, this is oxygen. Okay, I am going into the blood, diffusion. Who is there inside this deoxygenated bed? Carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is rich in what they call concentration. So this will get out. You got my point? This is called what? Tell me, exchange of gases. Answer me. What is the right answer of this question? What is the correct answer of this question? Come on, any one of you find out. The answer is depends on difference oxygen concentration between the alveoli and blood. Yes, option A. How many of you got this? Yes, absolutely, absolutely. One more place also oxygen exchange takes place. Where? Gaseous exchange takes place. Blood to tissues, remember. Blood to tissues exchanging takes place. Remember beta, right? Next question. Next question. What about this? What about this question? The question tells us the function of glomerulus and Bowman's capsule of nephron. Let's draw nephron very fast. This is a nephron. Bowman's capsule is there, cup-like structure. Bowman's capsule open into PCT. PCT open into where beta? Descending limb. Descending limb open into ascending limb, right? And DCT. This is DCT. Right? This is DCT. DCT open into what beta? Collecting duct. Collecting duct. Now answer me. This is afferent arteriole making Bowman's glomerulus, right? Afferent arteriole making Bowman, this one, and it's making what? Blood capillaries like this. This is called what they call glomerulus. Carefully look at beta what the question is telling us. This is Bowman's capsule. This is glomerulus. This is called afferent arteriole. This is called efferent arteriole. This tube is called PCT, right? PCT, proximal convoluted tube. The function of glomerulus and Bowman's capsule. Reabsorption. No. Reabsorption not takes place. Filtration takes place and something. After filtrating of blood, whatever the filtrate form that will be catch. Bowman's capsule. And it give to what? PCT. So this is not correct. Leave it. Next, elimination of ammonia. No. Leave it. Absorption. No. Leave it. Next, filtrate the blood. Filtrate the blood. Right. And capture of the filtrate. Yes. How many? Yes, absolutely. Oh my God. This time 100 out of 100 will come to my student. Pakka, I'm telling you. Mark my words. Today is what? Tell me. 12th February. I'm telling you 100 out of 100 will come to my student. So answer is what? Option D. 100 out of 100. Biology this time, this academic year, 30 marks. They increased from 27 to 30 marks, right? 30 out of 30 in biology. Challenging you. Next question. What about this question? What about this question? Very easy. The diagram shows part of flowering plant. Angiosperm, flowering plant. Come on. Answer this one. Come on, beta. Deepika. Where does the most transpiration takes place? Most transpiration takes place. Let me take a leaf. Where I should take leaf? Here. Look at it. This is leaf. We know, we have learned in our lower classes, upper epidermis is there, lower epidermis is there. Where is the stomata? This is called lower epidermis and this is called upper epidermis. Where is the stomata? Stomatas are located at where beta? Lower epidermis. So where is the more transpiration? A, upper epidermis. No, sir. Where is it? Tell me. B, lower epidermis. More and more. What is there, beta? Stomatas are there. So answer is option B. Transpiration. Important. Sometimes you will get question. What would happen if you close the stomatas with Vaseline? You should write no transpiration, no exchanging of gases, no photosynthesis process, no transpiration pull. Water does not going to climb to the tip of the stem. Remember. So answer is what option? B. Very good. Sabas. Good. Ritika. Good. Asiya. Sabas. What about this question? Simple. Very easy question. Very easy question. I'll cross check. Anna. Come on. Asiya. Riddhi. Fatih. Come on, beta. Come on. Vinisa. Simple question. Simple. Identify the enzyme. Identify the enzyme A involved in the above reaction. What is this? A below reaction. Okay. It is a below reaction. Proteins A. Peptones is given. Peptones. Proteins to peptone. How simple, sir. This is, we will play like anything. This what they call enzyme. What is that? Pepsin. What is the enzyme? Tell me here. A is what? Tell me. Option C. Pepsin. Can any one of you tell me pepsin enzyme activate under which pH, beta? I forgot. Can any one of you help me out? Which pH this enzyme and pepsin will be active? Who will act? You know, actually, pepsin is in the form of first inactive. The inactive one is called what? Pepsinogen. My name is Pepsinogen. Somebody please convert me into pepsin. You know who will convert? HCl convert into highly active pepsin. Remember, yes, absolutely. C. Yes, correct, my dear. So answer is option C. Good. What about this? What about this? Any one of you tell me. This is blood. This is blood. Let's take small one. Blood vessel, blood. We know the yellow fluid is called what? Tell me. The entire yellow fluid is called what? 55% occupy in the blood, I said. What is that 55% occupy in the blood? I said what? Plasma. This is plasma. Yes or no, my dear? This one is called plasma. Now, in the plasma, this is 55% occupy. Now, in the plasma, there are RBCs are there. Right? RBC blood vessels, that means erythrocytes are there, cellular part. Next, WBC cells are there. Neutrophils, basophil. Next, what is there? Platelets also there. Thrombocyte, platelets also there. Now, this whole thing together called blood. Right? Plasma, 55% plasma occupy. Inorganic substance, organic substance, all type of enzymes, hormones, 3% of CO2, 3% of oxygen, 3% of dissolved oxygen, 7% of CO2, hormones, enzyme, organic compound, glucose, amino acid, everything is there. But in the plasma, something is not there. It is not a component of plasma. Any one of you? Yes, any one of you answer me. Any one of you? Something. Which of the following is not a component of plasma? Something is not a component of plasma. Sabas. Very good. Now, who is this? Padma Varshini. It's not a beta, it is D. Because D is what? Platelet. Platelet is, remember, one more time, listen. Blood is actually made up of two components, beta. One is called a cellular part called plasma. It is called completely acellular part, but it is a pale yellow fluid part. Okay. Second one is called formed elements or BC, blood cells. Under BC, RBC cells, WBC cells, platelets come beta. So platelets are the part of this 45%, my dear. Remember, okay? 55% is occupied by what? Tell me? Plasma. Our digestive food, enzymes, everything in the plasma only. Nitrogenous waste, all in the plasma only. So answer is option D. Clear beta? Yes. Correct. Yes, done. Next one. What about this? The process of transpiration in plants helps in. Don't know. Think. Process of transpiration helps in. Come on, come on, come on. Yes, Padmavarshini, done beta. So hereafter, don't do any mistake in the final exam. Okay, done, done, good. Come on, beta. Anyone? This process of transpiration helps in opening of stomata. Opening of stomata, there is a two guard fellows are there called guard cells. Yes or no? Exosmosis, endosmosis, they open and close. Fine, leave it this one. Absorption of CO2 from atmosphere, leave it. Upward conduction of water movement, leave it, or shall I leave it this? I don't know. Next one, absorption of O2 from atmosphere. Yes. I know my kids are very talented. Very good. Option C. Are you talented or not, my dear? Nobody is giving answer. Are you talented or not? Say all of you hi. Yes. Are you talented or not? How many of you get 100 out of 100? How many of you have full confidence to get 100 out of 100? Come on, answer. How many of you have 100 out of 100 capacity? Sir, I'll get, sir, I'm confident, I'm telling you 100 out of 100. Come on. Yes. Any one of you? Full confidence, sir. This time I'll give 100 of, yes. Good. Very good. Yes. This time, don't do any mistake in especially biology. 30 by 30 in biology and 80 out of 80 in theory, 100 out of 100 in science. Okay. Next, what about this question? Very easy, very easy. But need to pay attention. Chalo, we'll pay attention. Chalo, we'll crack this, what they call question. You should help me out. Okay? You should help me out. Come on, answer me. Something is given. Mouth. Saliva. So I'm writing here S. Any one of you got the answer? 100. Yes, very good, beta. God bless you with 100 out of 100 marks. Stomach is some juice, some gastric, gastric or intestinal juice or gastric juice, I don't know. Can anyone of you help me out? Are you there or not? Come on, beta. Come on. Answer this one, sir. This is not intestine or intestine. What is this? So I'm changing this one. Stomach to gastric juice. Duodenum fellow. This duodenum is first part of small intestine. This duodenum I can go pancreatic juice, yes, and intestine. So here it is, I can write what R, and here it is pancreatic P. Small intestine is Q, I'm writing. So SRPQ. Option B is the right answer. Am I correct? Yes. Good. Sabas. Yes. Very easy. Simple question. I don't want to waste the time. Next question. Now answer this. Try beta. Autotrophic mode of nutrition. So I'm writing autotrophic mode of nutrition. I'm writing green plants. Everyone knows this. Simple. Heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Here I'm writing S. Heterotrophic mode R. I'm writing beta this one. Tropic level number 1 I can call. Tropic level number 2 I can call. Yes or no? Herbivores are tropic level number 2, right? Yes. Now next tell me. Parasitic nutrition. Leech P I can write. Okay, beta P. Digestion in the food vacuole. Paramecium Q. So SRPQ. Option B. Am I correct? Students, done? Clear? Right. Come on. So, good, very good, Sabas. Correct answer is what? Shivam, cross check beta. Cross check. SRPQ. Option B. Yes. Next, what about this question? Easy. Any one of you. Don't look at the options. Directly match beta. Directly match. Phloem. Translocation of food. So Q. Nephron is excretion P. Rest of two I will not do. Don't know. Good. So veins, I'm writing what? Tell me. Deoxygenated blood as platelets of clotting. So R. QPSR. Where is QPSR? Option C. My God, correct or not? Very good, beta. You are very good. You're very good, beta. Next one. What about this? If you give correct answer, this question, but 100 out of 100, no doubt. Any one of you try? Any one of you try this one? What they're asking? Root cap has no role in water absorption because root cap. What is this root cap, sir? Where this root cap located? Careful, look at here. Let me take this is a root, beta. This is root. The tip of this root covered with one structure like this. This is called root cap. This is called root cap. This one. Okay, this is called root cap. Calyptra we call normal. Okay, no problem. This is root. On the top of this root, there is a small structures come out, my dear. These structures we called. I don't know this. If I give this one, beta, you will easily answer. Can any one of you answer? What is the correct answer of this one? No. Properly cross check, beta. Root cap. It has a no direction connection with the vascular system. It has no cells containing chloroplast. It has no root hair. It has loosely arranged. Remember, my dear. Whoever giving a C answer, you are the champion, beta. Good, very good. Whoever giving a C, for all champions, you are champions. Love you all. Very good. Sabas. Whoever giving the C answer. Because who is actually absorbing the water from soil? Root hair. What tell me? Here, this is soil. This is soil. Okay. In this soil, what is there, beta? Water is there. These structures are called, what tell me? Root hair. Root hairs are unicellular. Unicellular structure will absorb water. So here there is no root cap, don't have any root hair. So answer will be C is the correct answer. Yes. Aran Jacob. Done, beta. Padma, done. Good, very good. What about this? This question is hemodialysis. Dialysis question. Carefully look at here, beta, what I'm explaining. Stay here until I finish this question. Okay, all of you. Look at here. No problem. If it is 1 minute, 2 minutes, 2 minutes, wait, but I'm going to finish this one. Dialysing unit. Artificial kidney contains a fluid which almost same as plasma except something they are asking. Look at here. This is patient blood. This is patient blood. Okay, in this one, patient blood rich in urea. Urea concentration high, beta. Okay, this is dialysate fluid. Here it is dialysate fluid. In this dialysate fluid, no urea, my dear. Urea is not there. So in the patient blood, glucose level, amino acid level, water level, everything will be equal in this ureatic fluid, dialytic fluid. Remember, except urea. Urea is not there. Sir, why urea is not there? Why urea is not there, beta? You know, we are actually planning to remove the urea from patient blood, right? Why hemodialysis takes place? To clean the blood, right? To remove the urea, right? Now answer me. Patient blood, this is patient blood, but this is patient blood. Okay, this is patient blood rich in urea. Where is the urea is not there? Outside urea is not there. So urea will be diffused from higher concentration to lower concentration. Remember, this is the principle. They remove urea. Urea will come out from the patient blood higher concentration to out where the urea is not there. So answer is what? Tell me. Yes, very good. There is no urea. Option C is the right answer. Absolutely correct. What about this question? What about this question? Very easy question. Any one of you? Any one of you? Good. No urea. No urea, beta. Ghostly. No urea, beta. Urea is not there. In dialysate fluid, urea is not there. Because of that one, highest concentration in the patient blood, the urea will be moved to the low concentration, or there is no urea, right? So it will be come out. That's how patient blood will be clean. Done? What about this? The correct order of air reaching from the atmosphere of lungs through is given. External nares, okay. Larynx, direct larynx, okay. Trachea, bronchi, bronchiole, air sac is given. What is the correct answer? Bronchiole, direct bronchiole, beta, no. Trachea, no. Bronchiole, no. So we know the correct answer is what? Simple. How simple? External nostrils, internal nostrils, pharynx, larynx, trachea, bronchi, bronchiole, alveoli. So I am going with option A is the right answer. Correct? Yes, good. One more question. One more question. One more question. The site of exchange of waste nutrients, gases and hormones between blood and blood cells, so body cells. body cells. Very easy, very easy. What is the correct answer? What is the correct answer? The exchange, the site of exchange of waste, nutrient, gaseous. Come on, Riddhi. Site of exchange, beta. Where is the exchange? It is not A. Sabas. It is what? Capillaries. Because capillary made up of only thin one layer endothelium. No tunica externae, no tunica. The muscle wall is not there in capillaries. Thin membrane. So easily exchange takes place. It is not A, it is C. How many of you given C? It is C, beta. It's not A. Arteries have a thick wall. No chance of nutrient come out. No, it will not come out. No chance of gases come out. No chance of hormones or this one is come out. No, because they have a thick muscles. Smooth muscles are there in our arteries and veins. Remember, capillary, only thin layer is there endothelium. So easily nutrient substance can come out. What about this question? Assertion and reason. 3 assertion and actually 7 is there, but wait a moment. 5 more minutes. I'll finish this at least 3 assertion reason and we will go. First, assertion. In the daytime, CO2 generated during respiration is used up for photosynthesis. Assertion correct or not? I need just assertion, right or not? Just tell yes sir, correct or no sir. What they given? In daytime, CO2 generated during respiration used up for the photosynthesis. Correct or not? It's true, right? It's true, right, beta? That CO2, whatever generated by the respiration, will be taken by the plant for the photosynthesis process. Carbon dioxide is essential, right? So I am writing correct. Yes, it's correct. Atmana correct. What about the reason? Reason is given. There is no carbon dioxide release during daytime. During day. No carbon dioxide releasing. Plants will not release carbon dioxide daytime. They'll release carbon dioxide nighttime. During daytime photosynthesis, nighttime respiration. So this statement also correct. So shall I go with what? What is the correct answer? A or B or what? What is the correct answer of this assertion and reason? Tell me. What they given? There is no carbon dioxide release during daytime. This is the plan. Good. Tell me. What is the correct answer? Because of this. Tell me, beta. Is it A or B? Anyone? Yes. Tell me. That absolutely both are correct and right explanation. Good. No. It is A comes. Carefully remember A comes. What about this question? Second assertion reason. Last one more assertion reason and after that we'll go. Energy is used during the process of respiration. Respiration stored energy in the form of ATP. Something. Just read first. Read that. If I don't want to give any hint, better try. Energy is used during the process of energy is used in the during the process of respiration. Respiration store energy in the form of ATP. Sir, if you closely read the assertion, energy is used during the respiration or energy release. Respiration release energy or use energy, beta. Good, very good, absolutely correct. Can you tell me? Tell me now. So tell me, this one is wrong statement. A is false. Why is false? Energy is actually released in respiration, not used, because glucose breakdown release, ATP release. Good. Respiration store energy in the form of it. Yes. So I can go with option D is the right answer. How many of you given D? Yes. What about this one? What about this? Anyone? Fast. Lungs always contain a residual value. RV, residual volume of air. Is it correct or not? Just tell me, sir, right or wrong? Lungs, now look at here. Inhalation, exhalation. My lungs are not empty, my dear. My lungs always have some amount of air. We call RV, residual volume. Now tell me, is correct? Yes, this statement is correct, sir. Lungs always contain residual volume. It provides sufficient time for oxygen to be absorbed and carbon dioxide to be released. What is good, Atmana? Correct answer, beta. Correct. What is the right answer? Vinisa, correct, absolutely correct. So I'm going with what option? Both are correct. Correct explanation. What about this question? Last question. Still 5 more questions are there. We don't have time, my dear. 35th question I'm going to end. Can any one of you do this question? The muscular walls of ventricles are thicker than the auricles. Correct or not? Muscular walls of ventricle thicker than the auricles. Correct? Right or wrong? Right, sir? Ventricles are called pumping chambers. So pumping chamber ventricles have a thicker walls. Correct. It's correct. This statement is correct only. I'm happy. Wow, good, Sabas. Very good, Gayatri. Now, this helps in the preventing of a backflow of blood. What help in the backflow? Preventing the backflow? Walls, right? Walls, semilunar walls, bicuspid, tricuspid wall. So this is wrong. Something is correct. What is the right answer? He'll tell me A is true, R is false. Come on, answer. What is the correct answer? Yes, absolutely. C is the right answer. Yes, beta. No. Yes, 2-ATP release. ATP required in respiration or release? Release, right? Release, right? So the correct answer is what? Tell me. Right, good. Very option A, C is the correct answer of this 35th question. Assertion is true, but reason is false. Yes. Sir, aerobic respiration required 2 ATPs for the process I am writing. No, beta. Eventually, what we will get from the respiration, tell me. That we will be payback. Whatever the 2 ATPs you are spending, that will be payback, right? So that means eventually you're getting energy from respiration. You got my point? Energy from respiration, right? Good. So this is life process chapter. Few typical questions we discussed, my dear students. One more class I'll take to discuss how do organism reproduce, and from a few diagrammatic questions also we will discuss in the next class. Okay, thank you all of you for attending this session, and wherever you are lagging, try to recall, try to revise properly. Got my point? Thank you very much for attending this session, and tomorrow, due to a sports day, Qatar Sports Day, no live session will be conducting beta. Day after tomorrow, as usually, we will have live sessions. Okay, thank you all of you. Good night, all of you. Bye-bye. Take care.